so months since whatever it is. But, yeah, since the nieces and nephews have used it. So we'll put the motors back in. Give it a tidy up. We've got electric motors to sit on the chains here. We'll put it all back together for them. Running to Brighton? I don't think so. Yeah, so it's just made of wood. Lights and things on it. It's a little battery operated engine to go in there just to make it look real. Well, I made it off a plan, but it's a long wheelbase. Normally they're shorter, but I had a 1967 Series 2A long wheelbase and I wanted to make a kind of copy of that, but I ended up selling it, so somebody made me a very good offer on it. So that wheelbase should really be back here somewhere. But yeah, it all works. You can put the windscreen down. I made the windscreen. Just turn them up there. So, yeah. So Toylander's the company. I'll show you the book maybe.
Yeah, no.
So this is the hydraulic lift for the Toylander. So yes, so you can see the motors are here. It's even got a little tailgate like the real one, where the clips go in. Comes as part of the kit. So there's the motors from there and there. So we'll put them on, get it back together, because my nephew is coming over for Easter and he'll want to have a play on it. We might even paint the wheels up, we'll see. So this is how the motors sit in it. This is the master mechanic here. Well, master mini mechanic. So this is a bit smaller than a mini. And we've got two special batteries that go in it. So, as I say, if you're interested, just go to Toylander, and they have the plans for it. You can build whatever you want. They've got little antique cars, Jeeps, Willys, that kind of stuff. Just made of wood. This bit here, to get it shaped, I just made it all solid out of wood, and then I used a piece of metal. I bent the metal, and then I just used a bit of filler to finish it off. The kids seem to like it. So, the little Toylander is all working now. Amir's actually managed to get the lights to work on it as well. So it's got a little, under here, it's got a little system where you can turn it on. Let's put a switch in here for the lights so you can see that the headlights work now. And here we've got indicators. In fact, I'll put the headlights back on. And then the other, I put the lights on because the stop lights work as well. How about that? This is obviously not a real dash, it's just for the kids, and obviously the ignition doesn't work. So this is just a potentiometer here, and I'll put it in the middle so that if the children are too small, an adult can sit in with them and work the accelerator and the brake. So yeah, so basically you've got, if I turn this, you'll see, yeah, now you can hear. It's actually, what we need to do is sort out why it's bad in reverse. You can hear it kind of crunching a bit, and what it is just slightly out of alignment. So, let me turn this off. And that's the two dry cell batteries that are with it. So, yeah. We just need to make sure the sprocket's a bit better lined up. That's what's causing it. But we have to, it's quite an ordeal to get them right on the money. Yeah, so if you're interested in making one of these, this is the company, it's called Toylander. And you can buy just the instructions for it. You can make the body yourself, they'll pre-make the body, and you can put it together yourself. They've got all kinds of options. You can see, there's all the parts. Or you can just, go ahead and do it yourself. What I would suggest if you're building one of these is definitely get their running gear, because it's just not worth messing around with. To be honest, I would buy the kit and glue it and build it yourself rather than actually try and fabricate it, because to get the arches right and all that, it is a bit of a faff. But it was only because I was making it longer. So yeah, great little thing. You can even get you can see some of the things. This is how the brakes work. It's just a piece of rubber, and the bar sits against the inside of the wheel. And there's the motors there. That's how they look. So yeah, but I'll definitely go with their kit. I think it's probably the best way to go. Let them manufacture it and you finish it up. So it's a lot easier.